From the broadcasting headquarters of the ERi-TV studio in Asmara, good evening. It's 10:30 p.m. Thursday, May 26. This is your reporter Miram Johannes live with your daily updates. Before proceeding to the details of the news, first is a rundown of the major stories for this English news segment. Message of congratulations. Nationals abroad celebrate Independence Day anniversary. West lack in unity over Ukraine war, Zelensky says at Davos. China-Russia fly warplanes in military drill during Biden trip to Japan. On to the details of the local news. The leaders of Cuba, France, Spain, and Algeria sent messages of congratulations to the government and people of Eritrea in connection with the 31st anniversary of the Independence Day. President Miguel Diaz-Canel Bermudez of the Republic of Cuba, President Emmanuel Macron of the French Republic, King Philippe VI of Spain, as well as President Abdelmadjid Tebboune of the Republic of Algeria, wished good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to the people of Eritrea. In his message, President Emmanuel Macron of the French Republic expressed readiness of his country for constructive engagement with Eritrea. President Abdelmadjid Tebboune of the Republic of Algeria, on his part, expressed desire of his country to develop friendly relations and cooperation with Eritrea, as well as to develop political consultation on regional issues of interest to the two countries. Nationals residing in Australia, Canada, and southern Saudi Arabia colorfully celebrated the 31st anniversary of Independence Day under the theme Independent Choice, Backbone of Our Pride. At the celebratory events, the Nationals organized on May 21st in the Australian cities of Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, and Gold Coast. The General Consul of Eritrea and Australia and New Zealand, Mr. Mahari Tagasta, indicated that owing to the strong unity and perseverance, the Eritrean people have been able to ensure their independence and national sovereignty. Mr. Mahari also called for preserving and transferring the classic history to the young generation, pointing out that strong resilience is a symbol of the Eritrean people. The chairman of the Eritrean community in Victoria and head of the National Union of Eritrean Women branch in Melbourne called for strengthening organizational capacity and participation in the national affairs. Similarly, Nationals in Ontario, Canada, celebrated the 31st anniversary of Independence Day, featuring various programs depicting the day. The Nationals also expressed conviction to strengthen participation in the implementation of national development drives. Officials of that country that took part at the celebrations also delivered messages of solidarity. In the same vein, Nationals in the cities of Al Namas and Tanoma, southern Saudi Arabia, also celebrated the 31st anniversary of Independence Day, renewing their pledge to strengthen participation in the national affairs. A new dam is under construction in the Bambuko administrative area, Duarwa subzone. The dam is expected to significantly contribute in addressing the potable water supply problem the residents have been facing, both for their consumption and livestock, as well as in the development of vegetables and fruits farming in the area. According to Engineer Tesfa Marem Tekhle, water and soil conservation as well as irrigation farming expert in the southern region, 50% of the construction has been finalized, indicating that the objective of the construction of the dam is to ensure supply of potable water both for humans and livestock. Engineer Tesfa Marem said that strong effort is being exerted to complete the construction before the rainy season. Engineer Tesfa Marem also commended the strong participation of the residents in the construction program, pointing out that construction of the dam will alleviate the water shortage both for themselves and their animals. The residents expressed readiness to strengthen participation in the construction effort. The residents of Bagla administrative area, Nafa subzone, conducted water and soil conservation as well as road renovation popular campaign. According to Mr. Salih Usman, administrator of the administrative area, the objective of the popular campaign was to address the environment and boost agricultural production as well as to renovate the dirt road connecting the area with Nafa town that has been damaged due to various reasons. Indicating that residents of 6 villages participated in the popular campaign, Mr. Saleh said that 90 cubic meters of water diversion schemes, over 10 kilometers of terraces have been constructed and 8 kilometers of dirt road renovated. The residents on their part indicated that the popular campaign will have a significant contribution in the development of their agricultural activities and expressed readiness to sustainably conduct similar popular campaigns. We'll be back with the international news in a few. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Wednesday that the West remained divided over the extent of its support for Ukraine in its defense against Russia's months-long invasion. Washington and European countries have poured billions of dollars worth of arms into Ukraine to help the country's outgunned forces beat back the better-armed Russian invaders. Kyiv has called for greater support, membership to the US-led NATO military alliance, and for a no-fly zone to be imposed over the country. Zelensky said Ukraine was grateful for support from US President Joe Biden, but said resolve was lagging closer to home. Zelensky specifically named neighboring Hungary, which has voiced opposition to a European Union-wide embargo on Russian oil, another key Ukrainian demand. He also pointed to a lack of agreement over Sweden and Finland's historic bid to join NATO, which has been called into question by Turkey. A senior administration official confirmed that China and Russia flew nuclear-capable bombers on Tuesday in a joint military drill that came as President Biden is in Japan. The official also said in a statement that the exercise demonstrates that Beijing is continuing its military cooperation with Moscow in the Indo-Pacific even as Russia continues to conduct a brutal war against Ukraine. The bombers traversed the Sea of Japan and continued through the East China Sea and the Philippine Sea, the official said, adding that the exercise was likely planned well in advance by both countries and included Chinese Navy ships. China's Ministry of National Defense also confirmed the drill, what it called a joint aerial strategic patrol, which took place over the Sea of Japan, known in South Korea as the East Sea, the East China Sea, and the Western Pacific Ocean, according to a statement posted to its official website. Russia's defense ministry, meanwhile, said the exercise lasted 13 hours and involved Russian Tu-95 and Chinese Yang H-6 strategic bombers. The military exercise also comes as Biden is wrapping up his trip to Asia. Let's go to the recap of tonight's major headlines. Message of congratulations. Nationals abroad celebrate Independence Day anniversary. West lacking unity over Ukraine war, Zelensky says at Davos. China-Russia fly warplanes in military drill during Biden trip to Japan. That was all for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.